Today we have with us entrepreneur and founder of the Herbal H2O, Mr. Pratik Patel. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, let's start with our interview. My first question for you is, can you tell us a little bit about what is Herbal H2O and how it is better than normal water?
Yeah, see, herbal H2O is enhanced water, which allows the consumer to get some additional benefits in addition to quenching the thirst. Let me give you a little example. How much time you are investing in sipping a water from a glass? Approximately 5 to 10 seconds.
Yes.
Yeah. So what you are getting in that 5 to 10 seconds, you are just quenching the thirst. But what we are doing at Herbal H2O is we are adding the botanical extract of herbs in that water. So your 5 to 10 seconds are more efficiently utilized and you will get some benefits of herbs in addition to quenching the thirst.
Sir, my next question is, how did you get your idea or concept for the Herbal H2O?
Okay, see, I was looking for the sector where innovation was not happened since last 10, 20 or 30 years. So the drinking water industry was same like in my grandfather's era, in my father's era, in my era. So there are huge space for the innovation and creativity in this sector. So this point motivates me to work in this sector.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, next question is, what is the current traction of Herbal H2O and would you like to tell us something about your future plans?
Yes, see, we are currently getting good tractions, but of course, we are facing little bit hurdles in this pandemic situations. But things are going very well, and we are completely transforming the product, the packaging, the supply chain. Like how we are dealing with the product is, we don't want to have a central factory for drinking water and generate a carbon footprints via logistics and deliver it to you, where you already have water at your own venue. Like you can dig up the borewell and you will get the water. So why can't we minimize the plant and machinery to purify that water and pack that water to reduce the carbon emissions of logistics? And by that means, we are also saving at least 15 to 20% of the cost of the product. So our future plans is like if you are visiting any resorts, you will not find any water which is bought from outside. They will purify their own water, they will pack their own water and they will serve it to you.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, my next question for you is, what was your key driving force to become an entrepreneur?
See, my family background is from business. So I cannot think beyond the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is in my blood.
Oh, great, sir. Uh, sir, my next question for you is, what was your greatest fear and how did you manage that?
My greatest fear is, or I can say my nightmare is, I don't want to stop my creativity or innovation in any age or any day of my life. And for that, I am keep on meeting new peoples, keep on accepting new ideas, keep on talking with lots of new college students to get some creative hints or innovative hints for business.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, my next question for you is, um, do you believe there is some sort of pattern or formula to become a successful entrepreneur?
There is one pattern that there is no pattern. You have to keep on changing your strategies and you have to be flexible enough to digest the day-to-day changes or circumstantial changes, political changes, scenario-based changes, consumer behavioral changes. So the pattern is no pattern.
Oh, yes. This we have reached to our last question. If you had one piece of advice to someone who are just starting out, what would it be?
Push yourself as much as you can. Do everything it needs to be done. Don't think about any limitations. There is no limits. You have to go beyond and beyond endlessly. Then and then only you will see the charm of success.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Uh, so it was wonderful talking to you, and I hope it would be very helpful for the future entrepreneurs to start their own business and be successful. Thank you so much for coming.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks for having me here. It's my pleasure to be here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.